will be a
Oh my God.
smart voter.
How can you be a smart voter if you don't even know the basics? If you don't even know logic, if you don't even know philosophy, if you don't even know math, I doubt that kid can do multiplication na. And then there you are teaching them how to vote or teaching them who to vote. Alam mo yung obvious na wala kang ibang alam kundi politika, kundi mang-brainwash, kundi magpropaganda. There are a lot of things that you could make children interested to bago ang politics. Andyan ang music, andyan ang arts, andyan ang science, andyan ang sports. But lo and behold, kailan pa boboto yan? After 10 years? Whew! Kung kanino mang ampunan yan, parang hindi ba kayo nakonsensya? Pinapagamit yung mga bata para sa agenda ng ibang tao. Ang daming pwedeng ituro sa bata eh. Di ba? Ang daming mas useful na pwedeng ituro sa bata. Yung magde-develop ng character nila. Hindi yung ibe-brainwash mo towards voting someone that you like. Katulad ng mga batang ginagamit din sa rally. Di ba? Galawang CPP, NP, NDF yun eh. Di ba? Si Franz Castro nga nahuli. Dahil inakyat nila yung mga bata or tinakas nila yung mga bata nang walang paalam sa magulang. And here we are. Giving consent.
This is Pinoy Extreme.